The SlipDoctors? The Jetcoat or INSL-X? Perhaps the Rust Bullet or the FIXALL? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 concrete paints available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best concrete paints. The 5th product on this list is the INSL-X Sure Step. This is a durable concrete paint with a skid-resistant finish for interior or exterior application. It has excellent color retention, abrasion resistance, and resistance to ponding water, making it ideal for stairs, walkways, patios, and much more. It has high traffic slip resistance for concrete and fast-drying, durable, easy application, which fills and seals cracks. This paint also offers a water reduction step that allows easy application and cleanup. What we love about this product is that it is available in several colors and white, with the clear coat to be used as a standalone clear finish. It can be used for various applications, from refurbishing outdated garages to putting custom finishes on new ones. We also love that it is formulated with urethane acrylic paint made by the same folks who created Stix Primer. Urethane is known for being sticky and curing hard. This one claims to even work on laminate and formica. This fantastic concrete coating is an excellent choice for someone looking for paint that is easy to apply with a durable finish. Lastly, the off-gassing is not too bad for you or the atmosphere, as the low VOC does not have any odor. Its pros are, it has a skid-resistant finish, which makes it suitable for both indoors and outdoors. It has great abrasion resistance, which makes it long-lasting, and it is designed to cure quickly to save you time. However, some users find that the color options are very limited or different than expected. Using the INSL-X Sure Step concrete paint is an excellent way to ensure your floors, both indoors and outside, remain highly resistant to wear and tear. Up next in 4th place is the FIXALL Skid Grip. This product is made of 100% acrylic texture paint that can transform any surface into a skid-resistant one. It has a long-lasting coating that produces a high grip finish, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. This slip-resistant paint is ideal for making high-traffic areas safer, and it can be applied to patios, pool decks, basketball courts, driveways, steps, and other areas to prevent falls. The liquid can be applied on almost any surface that adheres to cement, wood, stone, asphalt, concrete, and more, whether for home or for commercial use. What we like best about this product is how simple it is to apply, requiring only a clean surface. There are a variety of fade-resistant colors available, including some of the most popular colors of all time, such as camel, cobalt, crimson, emerald, and many others. Another advantage of the FIXALL Skid Grip is that it has a slip-resistant surface that the acrylic formula is designed to provide increased performance and reduce oxidation, preventing peeling, flaking, and erosion of the concrete surface below, ensuring the anti-slip surface's integrity for years to come. We also like how this paint provides an extra layer of UV protection while also providing a beautiful finish. Its pros are, it has an outstanding anti-slip design, it provides UV protection which makes it more durable for outdoor use, and it can be easily applied to pretty much any surface. However, due to the consistency, it requires almost twice the paint to do the same surface area as other products. The FIXALL Skid Grip is ideal for anyone who needs to ensure an outdoor area is as safe as possible for foot traffic. Still haven't found a concrete paint that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Rust Bullet DuraGrade. This next premium concrete paint offers high performance and a protective coating that can be put directly onto concrete surfaces without any acid etching. It has outstanding surface adhesion and is scratch, chip, chemical, and UV resistant, making it a more convenient choice compared to other brands. This paint requires no primer, base coat, or top coat. Plus, its patent-pending formula is low VOC, and it is available in many different colors. Or you can choose a customized color option to match your home style and personal taste. What we love most is that it's remarkably easy to apply a brush, roller, or spray equipment, making it perfect for indoor or outdoor surfaces. It can cover almost 1,500 square feet per 5-gallon container per coat. That's a lot of paint in one go. Imagine all the savings that you can get with that. That's not all. This fantastic paint has a glossy finish that stands by itself superbly, and you can even opt for a color flake and a coat or two of the clear, which will lock in the color flakes and add build. What's more, it has an anti-slip media in your final coat, which can still be easily cleaned up. Its pros are, it is easy to apply, which can be helpful if this is the first time you've painted floors. It does not require a primer coat, which saves you time, and there are many color options available. However, it seems to produce solvent pops or bubbles quite easily. The Rust Bullet DuraGrade is a great tool to help you protect your concrete for a long period of time. The second product on this list is the SlipDoctors DuraGrip. This concrete paint is a high-performance epoxy coating designed to offer you a long-lasting non-slip surface. Its formula is resistant to abrasion, fading, and chipping. At the same time, it is weather-resistant and anti-slip, providing a grip for safe foot traffic. This product contains a synthetic grip so that it is easy on the shoes, bare feet, and paws. One thing we love is that it's straightforward to apply with a roller, and it is suitable for both wet and dry conditions. It can be used on steel, fiberglass, aluminum, and concrete, increasing traction on boat decks and pool edges alike. It comes in 10 semi-gloss color options, including black, clear, dark, brown, light gray, medium gray, blue, and many more. These paints are available in quart, gallon, and 5-gallon pails. This product is made durable once it is dry and cured correctly, providing excellent grip and safety and giving the area an organic feel different from bare metal. Another advantage is that, unlike other products, this paint offers you grip without turning the area into what is essentially sandpaper. To top it all off, you'll be happy to know that this product comes with a 2-year warranty and a 30-day money-back guarantee for unopened products. Its pros are, it's very durable, so you know that it will last for a long time. It has a 2-year warranty, which makes it a risk-free product, and it has a lot of grip without being too abrasive. However, it really needs a good undercoat to perform at its best, which can take time. The SlipDoctors DuraGrip is ideal for keeping patios and driveways neat and safe. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top concrete paint is the Jetcoat Farm Pride. This product is the ultimate concrete fade-resistant acrylic paint for any surface. Its formula has been fortified to offer many years of lasting durability, and you can easily apply it by spray, brush, or roller, so that you can quickly cover your deck, patio, driveway, garage, or even barn floor with just one coat. This paint has a safe and non-toxic dry finish. Plus, it's durable, and it can resist fading, peeling, and weathering. This mold-resistant, environmentally friendly outdoor paint is designed to perform well in any climate. It covers about 95 to 100 square feet per gallon per coat, depending on surface porosity. You may be interested to know that it is made to protect and enhance agricultural roofs, foundations, and more with its versatile formula. Because of this, it is truly made to last and do exactly what it says on the tin, as farmers will accept nothing less. It would be an excellent idea to keep this multifunctional matte black paint handy for quick fixes or complete projects. We also love how easy it is to clean any spills by using only soap and water if you make a mistake during application. What's more, it features strong UV resistance, so the color will stay true and the material underneath will be protected from sun damage. Additionally, this waterproof paint is formulated for outdoor use, and it is guaranteed to be able to stand up to the elements. Plus, it's non-toxic, anti-peeling, and livestock friendly, so it can be used anywhere without risk. So, if you want a reliable concrete paint that is sure to protect your surfaces no matter what, this is the way to go. Its pros are, it has strong UV light protection, making it more durable. It is designed to be used on multiple surfaces. It can be easily applied to any compatible surface, and its one-coat coverage performs well in any climate. However, it's only available in black. The Jetcoat Farm Pride is a brilliantly protective concrete paint that you can use on surfaces around your home to ensure many long years of weather and abrasion resistance. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.